Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I would like to show you this device. This is CARABC and this is CarPlayer. If you guys are interested, let's have a look. This device will give you wireless connection with your car, so you can connect your phone with your car and get apps like maps, phone calls, message and others. So this is wireless USB adapter and the brand is CARABC. The link for this device you can find in the description. Now I would like to take you into my car and show you how easily you can connect your phone with this device. In the box we can find user manual, main device, CARABC, and two cables to connect your device with your car with your USB. So the CARABC adapter is connected into the USB in the car. We have to switch on the car. On iPhone is smart box.
Start recording video.
Which is connected now. We have to pair this device with our phone via Bluetooth, and on the screen coming up all of the apps from our phone. So we can go to the phone, choose the phones, choose the contacts, or we can go into the message, or we can choose the maps, go somewhere. And this is very smart, very useful device, so I highly recommended it. Thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and remember guys that the link for this device you can find in the description. Thank you, see you next time, bye.